Aloha Kauai, here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Tuesday, June 17th. Our cumulative number of confirmed cases remains at 21, and all cases have now recovered or left the island. This means we have no confirmed active cases of COVID-19 on Kauai at this time. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated at noon every day. Yesterday, we reached a major milestone here in Hawaii, as it was the first day that inter-island travelers could fly within the state without being subject to a 14-day quarantine. However, the quarantine remains in place for mainland and international travelers. Along with the governor's new traveler rule, there is a new COVID-19 screening process at the airport for Hawaii travelers. Additionally, the County of Kauai has implemented a screening process for arriving passengers at Lihue Airport to help us determine who is and is not subject to the mandatory quarantine. With all the new protocols in place, we wanted to give you a sense of what you can expect when departing or arriving at the Lihue Airport. For passengers departing, you'll first go to your airline's check-in counter to check in. You'll then proceed to the TSA screening line, where you'll be met by National Guard personnel who will check your temperature with a non-contact infrared device. If your temperature is higher than 100.4 degrees, you will not be allowed to fly. If your temperature is below 100.4, you'll proceed to the next station to complete your traveler health form. Upon submitting the form, you'll go through the standard TSA screening and proceed to the gate. To streamline this process, travelers can download and complete the traveler health form prior to arriving at the airport. You can find this fillable form at the Department of Health website at health.hawaii.gov/travel. State officials are working on a digital form that will create a QR code to help streamline this data collection process. We don't yet know when this digital system will be ready, but once launched, we anticipate it will expedite the screening process. Until then, state transportation officials urge flyers to give themselves plenty of time to check in, as delays should be expected. For incoming arrivals, travelers will encounter an additional screening process upon arrival to the Lihue Airport. As you enter the baggage claim facility, you'll be met by National Guard personnel who ask for your ID, boarding pass, and whether or not you have traveled outside of the state in the past 14 days. This is a county screening process to help us determine who is and is not subject to quarantine. Those who are not subject to quarantine are provided a green pass, which will allow them to rent a vehicle and bypass the law enforcement checkpoint located at the airport exit. For arriving mainland or international travelers who are subject to the quarantine, you'll need to complete a contact information form so that law enforcement can follow up with you during your 2-week quarantine period. That form will be given to you at the baggage claim area and collected at the law enforcement checkpoint as you exit the Lihue Airport. As a friendly reminder, pursuant to the governor's 9th supplementary proclamation, those in quarantine are prohibited from renting a vehicle or staying in a transit vacation rental or TVR, and must stay in a hotel or motel only, unless you are the owner of the unit. Further, you cannot leave your home or hotel room for the full duration of the 14 days. That means no visiting the pool or beach or other common areas of the property, and all food or supplies that you need must be delivered to you. Detailed information on Hawaii's new travel policies are available online at health.hawaii.gov/travel. To view the governor's 9th supplementary proclamation, visit governor.hawaii.gov/emergency-proclamations. We thank all of our residents and visitors for your patience and flexibility as our state continues to navigate this pandemic, while we balance our people's health and safety with the need to bring some level of normalcy back to our community. We do anticipate continued adjustments to this traveler screening process, so please stay tuned. We will update you as new information is announced. Finally, today we'd like to announce that we have submitted Mayor's Emergency Rule 13 to the Governor's Office for review and approval. Rule 13 proposes that the guidelines on gathering be revised to allow indoor gatherings in groups of up to 50 people and outdoor gatherings of up to 100 people. Please keep in mind that these gatherings would still be subject to all other existing state guidelines, including physical distancing from those not in your household. We anticipate having an update from the Governor by the end of this week. Mahalo again to all of you. As we see more visitors to our island, it becomes increasingly important for us to manage the risk of exposure in our daily lives by following these best practices. Stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you're sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another. God bless, and aloha.